Maraming salamat sa Barangay Chairman Derek Magburos. Una-una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos, no, sa muling pagkakataon para maligbihan sa ating mga kapatid, lalo na sa ating mga kapatid na may hirap dito sa Barangay Buhangin, Atimonan, Quezon. Yan yung mag-English muna tayo, no? Kasi kailangan pasalamatan yung ating mga donors sa Amerika. I would like to thank the Lord for bringing me back here in Barangay Atimonan, right? Yeah, Atimonan, Quezon. About more than 2 years ago, to be exact, August 21, 2011, I was here through the invitation of my former classmate in the medical school, the brother of Barangay Chairman Derek Magburos, in the person of Dr. Rolando Magburos. Without him, I won't be able to come back. And even the first time without him, I was not able to see this beautiful barangay here in Quezon. Now, as the president and the founder of the Beautiful Heart Foundation, I am very pleased and very grateful to a bigger foundation in the United States, the Brothers Foundation, who has been supporting the Beautiful Heart Foundation with a limited supply of medicines. Once again, to the Brothers Foundation, thank you so much for the support that you have extended to the Beautiful Heart Foundation. And you can see the poor people here in the barangay waiting for their parents to be seen, examined for free, and given free medicines. So, this is a blessing. No? Ito ay isang biyaya sa Panginoon. No? Sana ang nakikita nyo ay hindi ang aming personalidad, no? Kundi ang nakikita natin yung kabutihan ng Diyos. No? Na kami po ay instrumento lamang, no? Na kami ginagamit lamang ng Diyos sa aming maliit na pamaraan para kayo tayo mapagsilbihan. No? Hindi mo lahat ng tao ay may ganitong oportunidad. No? Hindi po. Sa akin personally, I find this as a privilege, no? Na nagagawa ko itong pagtulong, hindi lang dito sa inyong lugar, kundi sa halos sa itong parte ng Pilipinas. In fact, I was in Africa, May to June of 2012, bringing health to the Cameroonian in Cameroon, Africa. No? So, lumalawak at tumutuloy-tuloy yung blessing, pagtulong ng Brothers Foundation sa walang katapusang pagbibigay ng mga gamot. No? And of course, I would like to thank our volunteers. Sino ba volunteers natin dyan? Please raise your hands.
O mga volunteers.
Bigyan po natin ng mga palapakan ng ating mga volunteers. So, and of course, ang ating mga kapatid dito na nagtsagang mag-antay, no? Nagtsagang mag-antay. In fact, ang ating butihing kasi nagsimula na tumingin ng pasyente, no?